Heart sounds. Heart sounds. Totally 4 sounds are produced by the heart. The first sound as lub and the second sound as dub can be heard with a stethoscope. The third and fourth sounds cannot be heard. First sound is produced by the closure of atrioventricular valves. This is loud and of a long duration. Second sound is produced by the closure of semilunar valves, that is aortic and pulmonary. It is shrill and a short duration. What is pulse? Pulse is the throbbing sensation felt over the walls of arteries. It is defined as the pressure difference transmitted in the form of a wave over the arterial walls. Pulse rate is almost the same as heart rate, 60 to 80 per minute. The wrist is the common site where pulse is usually felt. At this site, the radial artery is very superficial. This pulse is called as radial pulse. Other arteries where pulse can be felt are carotid artery, facial artery, and temporal artery. In case of fever, the rate of pulse increases at the rate of 10 per every rise of 1 degree Fahrenheit. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.